Could you actually build a real boat out of Lego bricks? One adult weighs 160 pounds, 73 kilograms. To float them, you need 90 liters of water displaced, basically a bathtub's worth of trapped air. Each hollow Lego brick holds approximately 2.87 cubic centimeters of buoyant air. That adds up to 31,000 bricks just to float one person safely. Stacked into a canoe shape, approximately 21 feet long, 2.6 feet wide, 10 inches tall. Seal it right and it could float for hours. So yes, you can build a Lego boat, but you'll need way more bricks than your bedroom floor can handle. Otherwise, you'll be sinking in a sea of Lego.